Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra Sibanda and today we are going to do the relaxer hair process. So first of all, I'm putting a barrier cream which is Vaseline. I start by rubbing it around your skin so that when we are relaxing it will not mess or she won't be bent on the direct skin. Then we are using soft and free hair relaxer. So what we need to do now is to focus on just putting the relaxer to sit on the hair, and we are avoiding to reach the scalp as much as possible. So we want the relaxer to sit on all sections of the hair. So if you are a beginner, I advise that you take a comb and then you section your hair just piece by piece as you go, so that the relaxer will be sitting on all parts of the hair. We don't want to neglect any part. So that's what I'm doing. And after, when the hair is all saturated with the relaxer, make sure you don't leave any part. So when it's saturated, then you start to massage it. Start to massage every section. Massage it. So you need to do this as fast as possible, because in this process of relaxing we don't want to pass something like 15 minutes, because if you pass 15 minutes it's going to damage the hair or the skin, because this is a chemical that can burn. It can burn. So we are doing this in a short period of time, less than 15 minutes. So it just depends with the hair type and the tenderness of the skin. So I'm just massaging. So when you are massaging, you can part your hair into pieces again, into sections, just like what I'm doing, so that the relaxer will be like, the hair will be all soaked with the relaxer. So we want our hair to be soft and we don't want it to have growth. So that's how we just doing. So you just need to repeat the process. I went to wash, so let me show you. I use the hair conditioner. So when you wash your hair, use shampoo and don't forget to use a conditioner so that it will be detangled. Then now I am blow drying it just like that. So as I'm blow drying, I make sure that the hair dries first. Then when the hair dried, then I went to put air food and blow dried it again, just like that. Then we are done.